you got a little bit left in these bottles, you don't have all day to be shaking it, getting the last drop, put it in there, zip tie her up, pull that trigger, aim into the AC, move on to the next car.
What do you think, Sean?
He's not wasteful, resourceful. I mean, you know, get down to the end, zip tie thing. It's just cool. There's better ways to go about it. I mean, I'm not sure that's gonna last very long. Changing the cabin air filter is a great thing. It should be a part of any odor removal process. I'd probably recommend for smoking, I'd probably try to do ozone. But the main thing here that I'm hearing is doing the air freshener first. I think once you go in there and you shampoo and clean everything, you're gonna lose what you already put down. Everything that the Febreze was supposed to do kind of negated.
I feel like this is a very temporary solution. This will actually cover up and mask an odor, not actually remove it permanently. If it were me personally, I would want something that's going to, as much as possible, remove it, not just mask it, because a lot of it depends on humidity and ambient temperature. If the humidity is less, the odor isn't going to be as prevalent, right? But if it's really humid out, that odor is going to rear its ugly head again. You want to make sure you get rid of it the first time.
It's something as simple as driving habits. If you drive around with the windows down, Febreze odor is going to escape a lot faster, and that smoker smell is probably going to come back a lot quicker. Your driving habit could accelerate the process coming back.